Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitana. As we have seen present tense in last lecture, now past tense, past definite tense, and it is also called simple past tense. See, this tense is used in the following ways. Number one, to indicate an action that happened in the past and to report completed action. It is used often in recounts and narratives. It is often used in narrations and the action which happened in the past. See, we closed the shop at 8 p.m. She met me last year. I visited the Taj Mahal 3 months ago. Yesterday, last Sunday, last month, these are the sign of this. And subject plus direct, second form. Second use, to indicate past habit or repeated event that are now over. In those days, my mother gave me some pocket money every day. I always rode a bike to school when I was young. Third use, habitual past can also be expressed by using used to. She used to drink tea in the morning. My grandfather used to read a few chapters of the Gita every day. So, to show the past habit, number four, sometimes this tense is used without an adverb of time. In such cases, the time may be either implied or indicated by the context. Number four, sometimes this tense is used without an adverb of time, indicated by the context. See, I learnt Punjabi in Chandigarh to indicate another action which happened in the middle of a longer action. The light went out while I was watching my favorite TV serial. See now, rules for affirmative sentence, that means formula. See, subject plus second form of the word plus object. Direct subject plus second form past tense form V2. Clear? I played football in the ground. She sang a song in the party. Direct, what may be the subject? You have to write direct second form V2. Next, negative sentence is subject plus did not, first form V1 plus object. I did not attend the function, they did not watch television. In affirmative, second form coming, but when you make negative, then after subject you have to write did not and first form V1. Second form change into first form V1. That is why did not coming, what may be subject, have to write did not. And first form you have to write. For example, I spoke English, then I did not speak English. With any subject did not and second form change into first form, spoke, second form. But when you write negative, then I did not speak English. Spoke you have to write first form of spoke, that is speak. That keep in mind. They did not watch television. She did not watch ed cut. Rules for interrogative sentence. Negative sin, now interrogative. Did plus subject, first form of the verb plus object. Or question word plus did, subject, first form of the verb, object and question mark. See, did you play a game? Why did she abuse her friends? When did father go to office? Why did Supriya not speak the truth? See, did coming in question word, then that word coming first. Why, what, when, what may be. Then did coming, then subject coming, then verb coming first form. Past continuous tense. This tense is used in the following ways: to indicate an action that was happening at time sometime in the past The time of action may or may not be indicated. For example, we were watching TV the whole evening. Used with always, continually, etc. for persistent habits in the past. For example, he was always sulking. The past continuous is also used for an action that was going on during a given period or a period of time in the past. While Rohan was filling in the hall, his dog was digging another. See, at the action was going on in the past. Rules for affirmative sentence. See, formula: subject, singular subject plus was, verb plus ing plus object, and plural subject then were, verb plus ing plus object. She was driving her car. They were making a noise. See, with they then were coming. I, he, she, it, or only one name then was. In all other cases were, verb plus ing and object. Rules for negative sentence have to add not only singular subject, was not, verb plus ing plus object, plural subject then were not, verb plus ing plus object. She was not singing a song. They were not eating mangoes. See, she was not singing a song. They were not eating mangoes. Rules for interrogative sentence. Rules for interrogative sentence. Was were subject, verb plus ing plus object. Question word was were subject, verb plus ing object. See, were you eating a mango? When was the milkman milking the cow? Why was the blind boy crying? See, rules for interrogative. Was were subject, verb plus ing plus object. Question word was were subject, verb plus ing plus object. Past perfect tense. Tense number 6. This tense is used in the following ways: to indicate an action that was completed before a definite time or before another action that took place in the past. To indicate an action that was completed before a definite time or before another action that took place in the past. Manish reached here after you had gone. The patient had died before the doctor reached the hospital. It indicates desires in the past that have not been fulfilled. I wish I had not wasted my time. It expressed those conditions of the past that was impossible to fulfill. See. It indicates desire in the past that have not been fulfilled. I wish I had not wasted my time. It expressed those conditions of the past that were impossible to fulfill. See, if you had questioned him earlier, things would have improved. If you had questioned him earlier, things would have improved. See. Next, a new page. Rules for affirmative sentence. Subject plus had, past participle means third form of the verb plus object. She had cooked the food. Rules for negative sentence only have to add not, subject plus had plus not, past participle plus object. They had not attended the function. Rules for interrogative: had plus subject, past participle, object. Question word plus had, subject, past participle, object. Had she watched a movie? Why had you not gone to Delhi? See. Now past perfect continuous tense. Number 8. This tense is used in the following ways. See. It indicates an action which began to the past and continued up to a certain point of time in the past. See, when we met in Lucknow, she had been studying in the city college for 3 years. B. At the time, he had been working in the company for 2 months. See, both two examples are there. Now, rule for affirmative sentence. Subject plus had plus been. First form of the verb means verb plus ing plus object, since for plus object. You had been suffering from fever since Tuesday. I had been studying for 3 hours. See. Rule for negative sentence, have to add not. They had not been going to office since the 5th of July. Affirmative then subject. Had been verb plus ing plus object. Negative then subject. Had not been verb plus ing plus object. Rules for interrogative sentence. See. Had plus subject plus been, verb plus ing plus object. Question word plus had, subject plus been, verb plus ing, object. See, had you not been reading the book since morning? Where had he been playing since morning? So, we have completed 8 tense for present tense for past tense. And now coming, that is future tense. This tense is used in the following ways to say that we believe or think will happen in future. What we say, what we believing that is happen in future. See, I believe that we'll join the office tomorrow. They will go to college. We shall win the match. It shows the action which will take place in future. Now see, things which we cannot control and are factual. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. to indicate an instant decision. It is our first marriage anniversary. I shall give you a precious gift. Rules for affirmative sentence. Subject with second person, he, she, it, you, second and third person will. Subject plus shall will. Verb object. With I and we then shall coming. Other cases there will coming. He will sell his house. I shall purchase a new car. Rules for negative sentence. Subject plus shall will plus not verb plus objects. With you, he, she, it, they. And third person singular will not, first form and object. I and we then shall not, first form object. My friend will not host dinner this evening. My friend will not host dinner this evening. We shall not skip the exam. Rules for interrogative sentence. Shall will take first subject, verb, object, question mark. Question word, then shall will, subject, first form, object. Will she not come in the party? Who will help him? Why will your friend not come here? See the sentence, then you realize. Future continuous tense. Next. Five minutes. બીજો રૂમ વાળો તમને ખાલી કરો. Future continuous tense. things that we cannot keep control, affirmative sentence. Rule for negative sentence, he, she, it, I and we. And now future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. This tense is used in the following ways: to indicate an action that will occur in the normal course. For example, she will be cooking the food tomorrow. I will be meeting him tomorrow. Second point, to indicate an action that will be in progress at given point of time in the future. At this time tomorrow we shall be attending the party. B. We shall be visiting the zoo at this time tomorrow. Rules for affirmative sentence means formula. Subject you, he, she, it, they. Second and third person will be verb plus ing plus object. I and we then shall be verb plus ing plus object. Next year my teacher will be going to China. I shall be teaching my students. So it will be continuing in future. See. Next page, rules for negative. He, she, it, you, he, she, it or they then will not be verb plus ing and object. I and we then shall not be verb plus ing plus object. They will not be studying in city college. I shall not be bathing this evening. Rules for interrogative sentence. Shall will plus subject, be verb plus ing plus object. Question word shall will subject, be first form means verb plus ing plus object. Will this boy be wandering in the forest? How long will they be traveling? Future perfect tense. Next. The tense is used to describe an action which will be completed at time point of time in future. I shall have finished this work by tomorrow. They will have reached home by the evening. I shall have reached the school before the bell rings. Rules for affirmative sentence. You, he, she, it, they then will have and past participle an object. I and we then shall have past participle and object. Your examination will have been over by Tuesday. We shall have cooked the food by the evening. See, rules for negative sentence. You, he, she, it, they will not have past participle object. I and we then shall not have past participle object. The passengers will not have reached the station before the train starts. Your brother will not have read this novel before next Sunday. And I shall not have written the letter by noon. See then, I shall not have written, not plus have plus past participle plus object. See. ठीक है बोले सर बाकी 2 मिनट चलो मैं शुरू कर दो. Rules for interrogative sentence. Shall will subject have past participle object. Question word will shall subject have past participle object. Will he not have gone before I reach? What will he have eaten before he sleeps? Now future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used in the following ways. It describes an action that will be progress over a period of time that will end in future. At noon, Anuradha will have been singing songs for an hour. I shall have been working round the clock for 22 years. Next April, rules for affirmative sentence: you, he, she, it, they, then will have been, verb plus ing plus object, I and we, then shall have been, verb plus ing plus object. By next April, we shall have been leaving for the USA. Rules for negative sentence: he, she, you, he, she, it, they, then will not have been, first form verb plus ing plus object, I and we, then shall not have been, verb plus ing plus object. Mahima will not have been going to Kanpur for long time. I shall not have been writing for half an hour. Rules for interrogative sentence: shall will subject, have been, verb plus ing plus object. Question word: shall will subject, have been, first form verb plus ing plus object. Will she have been playing for some time? Will you not have been going to school since 8 o'clock? This brings the end of this sentence, and keeping till here, next time we will see practice questions of this. Write one time, read 3 times, prepare properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.